Hello, I recently received a question about how to make screen capture videos. So this is just a short tutorial on one way of doing that. It's certainly not the only way, but it's what I have discovered is working best for me. It requires two pieces of software. The first piece of software is called OBS Studio for Open Broadcast Software. That is a free download, and you can look that up at obsproject.com. The second tool that I use is called Zoom It. If you Google that, you can. It's the tool that's used for zooming, like that, zooming in and out and making on-screen notes. So once you have those set up, what you will do is open your OBS software. Now I know this looks a little bit goofy because I'm using the software as we speak. But when you're ready, what you'll want to do is go down to your sources here, and you right-click and you say Add, and then you click Display Capture. So that will capture everything that's on your display right now. So I will move this out of the way for a moment. Right now it's displaying this screen that I have. So if I open Lightroom, I can show what's going on in Lightroom. I can make whatever I do on this particular screen, it'll capture. A couple of notes will point out with the OBS software. To start your recording, you will go down to this area here. There's a start and stop button. You may have to change the settings in File Settings. There's some options for the video and the size of the video that you're recording and how it's being scaled. So my monitor is 2,560 pixels by 1,440 pixels. My recording output is at 1920 by 1080. So that's something that you might have to work with. The other thing that you may have to work with is how it looks on your screen. If you right-click, see if I can zoom in here, you can change the scaling. You can also change what you're able to capture on the screen. So play around with it. It's not a real complicated thing to use once you get set up. There's lots of ways that you can use it, and you'll have to find what settings work for you the best. But having those two programs, the Open Broadcast program and the Zoom It program for zooming in and your different settings or folders, is very helpful. So I hope that this gets you started in the right direction. If you have questions, leave them in the comments or send me a message, and I'd be happy to walk you through any of those questions that you have. Thanks.